Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set self-destruct timer for a chat on Telegram. So if you want to do that, you have to open the Telegram app on your phone, then you're going to locate the chat you want to set self-destruct timer for. So I'm just going to tap on this particular profile, so tap on it. I'm going to tap on it, then from there I'll tap on the profile name, then I'll tap on the three dot icon right here. I'll tap on it, then from here I'm going to say enable auto delete. So I'm just going to tap on this auto delete. So from here I can automatically set the self-destruct timer for numbers of days or weeks I want the message to last. So from here I'm just going to tap on a week. So I put it on the week, or I want others, so you just set the numbers of days for yourself. So I'm just going to set this 2 days, then set on auto delete, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.